How to edit your Shopify confirmation email. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can edit the confirmation email that goes out to your customers. So let's get into it. Now, Shopify has made a lot of things super easy. I have already shown you guys how you can import products from a supplier like AliExpress, how you can fulfill your orders, change backgrounds, add discounts to your product. So these things are super easy, but what I'm going to cover today, which is editing your confirmation emails that go out to customers. So whenever I am fulfilling a order, like so, in my order timeline, you can see order confirmation is sent to the customer. So this order confirmation email has a default template. Now, if you want to edit this template, it has some applications you can integrate, but you can do this manually as well, but you have to do it by a code, which can be a little confusing, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do that. So let's get into it. Now, all you have to do is we're going to head on over to our Shopify home. We are on our home dashboard. Once you are on your home dashboard, you're going to click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings, you're going to scroll down and you will be able to see a simple section called notifications. So it's almost to the last, it's right below brand, above custom data, you have notifications. You're going to click on notifications. Now, after you click on notifications, if you already have not verified your sender email, you have to verify your sender email. That is going to be the email that customers receive the email from. So whatever is your address is going to be the address that you're going to input over here. But once you have confirmed that, you have customized email templates. So you can choose to add your own logo and change the image. So you can add your own image, upload your image. Let's say I have a logo. Let's say this is my logo. I'm just doing this as an example, but I'm just uploading this image just so you guys know how you can add logos, because you want to add your logos over here, and then later on I'm going to show you guys how you can do the rest of it. So once I've added my logo, I can choose the size as well, how big or small I want it to appear. Then you have your accent color. So the accent color is the color that is going to appear over here. And what I want to do is I want to fit it with the rest of my store. Let's say it's a violet theme, so I'm going to make the accent color violet like this. So I've added this as my accent color. Now I'm going to click on save. You want to make sure you're clicking on save on the top right. And you can see this is currently what my preview of my email is. This is what it looks like. It's very basic. You might have even received an email like this from another e-commerce store. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to change the text over here. I want to make it more interesting or more personalized. So for that, I can just click on notifications once more. And below that, I have my order confirmation sent automatically to the customer after they place their order. Now, I'm going to click on order confirmation. Then you're going to click on edit code on the top right. Now, you might say, hey, I don't know how to edit code. Don't worry. Now, you can see over here in the brackets, you have all the code elements, but if you want to just edit the text, you are going to see the text over here. So after these brackets, wherever the brackets are closing, you are going to see some text, and that is the text you actually want to, edit. So let's say this text over here, we're getting your order ready to be shipped. We'll notify you when it has been sent. So let's say I want to change this line into something else. So let's say I wanted this to be more personalized or more personable. So I added, we are preparing your order for shipment with loads of love and care. We will let you know when it is shipped. So this can seem a little more, relatable to the customers, a little less cold and rigid. And then below that, let's say I want to edit some more of the text. So I have this code section and I have all these little sections. You'll receive separate emails for any gift card. Then below that, I have, some other sections, but let's say, so I have all of this code, and within the code, any of the sections where you have your basic text, you just want to edit that. That's super simple and easy. It's really not that difficult, although it can take a little bit of time to find the sections that you are looking for. So let's say I want to edit this. So your payment is being processed. You'll get an email when your order is confirmed. let's say instead of that, let's say I don't do order confirmation. I automatically send out orders, or I don't do online payments, so all my orders are cash on delivery. I don't want these lines, so for that I will add, so your payment will be received by your courier at your doorstep. So let's say that's the line I want. So I'm going to edit that. You'll get a confirmation email after completing your order, or you'll get a confirmation email. So I wanted to say you'll get a confirmation email to verify your purchase. So that is it. Thank you for your purchase with us. So I'm editing that as well. Thank you for your purchase with us at Durden. And after that, you can also add some more personable lines if you want. I think I like this for how I've edited it now. So I'm just going to click on save. And now I can go back into my email. If you feel like you messed anything up, just don't worry. You're going to be able to fix it as well. So you can see, thank you for your purchase with us at Durden. We are preparing your order for shipment with lots of love and care. We will let you know when it is shipped. Then you have all the order details and the, generic, email stuff, so the order and all that. But you can see you can really make a amazing customized email, and you can also go on ahead and do this in another fashion. So if you go into your Shopify store, go into your apps and click on apps and sales, you can go into the Shopify app store. So you have confirmation email. If you just search for that, you have email marketing enhancers, you have orderly emails. So you can click on orderly emails. I've used this. It's a good template builder, or a good way to improve upon your emails. So you can click on add app over here. I do recommend this app. It's pretty good, but usually confirmation emails are not that big of a deal for a customer. I don't like to spend extra time setting up, unnecessary applications, you could say, for order confirmations, simply because I find that a basic email works just fine as long as you have added some personable lines and a good logo and you followed the color scheme of your brand. I don't think I need to change it, but if you want, you can integrate orderly emails. Then I'm just going to pin this to my navigation, click on choose email theme. And you can see they have a bunch of different themes that you can pick out from. So you have the venue themes, you have a bunch of different order confirmation themes. Let's say I want to continue with this one. I can click on this. And now you can choose to subscribe to any of these email templates. They are usually for a very low price, and you can get a discount as well. It's going to cost you, however many emails you want to send. It costs around $50 to $90 depending on the email template that you get. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.